One of the most common service orders is a problem ticket. Today we'll change out a meter due to a leak at the meter. So we'll tap on this problem ticket here and select service order details. In here it tells us everything that we need to know about the meter. And as you can see, there's a leak at the meter. So we'll select meters down here. And in here on the right hand side you'll see a drop down. And then in this drop down we'll select what we're going to do to this meter. We're going to change it out. And the reason why we're going to change it out, we'll select this drop down, is because it was damaged. And now we need to give it the reading that is on this meter. So we'll tap on the text box and we will enter its reading. And if we tap on replacement meter, we can enter the serial number of that meter, of the replacement meter we're going to put in. And once you start typing it in, it'll filter down until you see the meter that you have, and then you can select it. And now we need to put the reading of this replacement meter in here. Now there is also another way to replace a meter. This is a new feature we just added. If you tap on replacement meter and tap on the scan button, you can scan the meter without having to type in the number. And once it finds it, it'll automatically load the serial number into the replacement meter spot. And then you just type in the number, the meter reading that was in the field, and click OK. And since this was a new meter, I don't have to put any information in here. Now that the meter has been replaced, it is now time to record the time. So we'll go down to Actions, and in Actions the box will come up and it shows your start time and stop time. The start time is the time from when the last ticket was closed plus 1 minute. So it just starts from its last ticket and you go from there. So you don't have to change any time. The only time you really have to change a time in here is if they go to lunch or something and they just come back for lunch, so they'd put a time in here. Say like, they just got off lunch at 2:30. And that's the only time they really use the start time. I'll put it back to 2:15 the way it was. And the stop time, of course, is the time right when they hit that record button, the record time button. You wouldn't go in there and change the stop time because it just automatically gets set. When you tap on record time, it's going to ask you if all the work is done or if there need to be follow-up actions. In follow-up actions, if there's something that you noticed at the site that needs to be checked on or checked up on, just leave a voice note and then check that box and in the back, so that way the back office knows why the service order wasn't closed. And if you need a new service order, you just leave you another note, say, hey, I found something here, something's wrong, we need to come back and fix it. But for us, we're just going to say all work is done and click on OK. Now that the work order has been done and the field crew has marked it as being done, it is now, the tablet sends it back to the system and it automatically closes the ticket. And I just wanted to show you that real quick. Log in here and go into the customer master and you'll see that it is closed. Just right click here on the address we were at, go to service orders, and there it is right up at the top. It's been released, which means work has been done. If you have any questions or need more information, feel free to contact us at 501-327-8000. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video.